$10,000 a month. That number sounds huge if you've been grinding away at side hustles that barely cover your gas bill. But the truth is, hitting $10,000 a month doesn't have to mean working 80 hours a week, selling products you don't believe in, or burning cash on ads. There's a simple local software model that I've personally used, and it's literally copy and paste. No coding, no tech headaches, no giant learning curve. Just plug in, set it up once, and it pays you every single month. I get it. You've probably tried other opportunities before and felt burned. Dropshipping, agency work, freelancing, all sound good on paper, but leave you overwhelmed, underpaid, or stuck starting over every month. This is different because instead of selling your time, you're selling software that businesses actually need. And people are proving it works. Patricia messaged me after landing another SaaS client and said, $843 from just one more client. Keep pushing, you can do this, guys. Now, these are individual experiences only. Results vary, and I can't guarantee you'll make money. But you can see why I'm so excited to share this with you. And no, I don't have some $997 upsell waiting for you. Instead, if you like what you see here, just hit the like button, drop a comment, and share this video. Then I'll hook you up with my full step-by-step course, templates, and even a live bootcamp, completely free. So I'm going to show you exactly how this $10,000 per month model works, why it's beginner-friendly, even if you've never sold anything online before, and I'll pull back the curtain on how to set it up for local businesses. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know the exact roadmap to start building real recurring income with this copy and paste system. What's up, you guys? Jason Wardrop here, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make $500 per day, even if you are a complete beginner, even if you have no marketing experience, no tech skills, no money to get started, by simply copying and pasting a multi-$100 million per year business. And you might be thinking, well, Jason, how am I supposed to go through and compete with a multi-$100 million per year business? Well, by the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can completely dominate in this market, because there's still a massive opportunity that's completely untapped. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what this business offers, their exact price points, and how you can literally clone the exact business with no money to get started. So this business that we're going to be looking at is called Birdeye, and what Birdeye does is they help small local business owners, so think your chiropractors, your plumbers, electricians, dentists, orthodontists, with their online marketing so they can get found online, helps them with their online reviews, a lot of these different simple software solutions. And we're going to look at their services here in just a second, but just to show you guys, Birdeye has now raised $93 million, and they are now most recently valued at $100 to $500 million as of March 10th of 2022. So it's been over a year. So they're probably kind of in the more of the $500 million to $1 billion range, because they've had more growth since then. But you can see this is a massive opportunity, and there is massive room for growth as well, where you can literally model this exact business and see some pretty amazing results. And the best part is you don't have to go through and raise $93 million. You can actually get started with absolutely no money. And if you smash the like button and drop a comment down below, I'll hook you up with my 100% free step-by-step course that's going to show you guys everything you need to do from A to Z on how to clone this exact business. And no, there's no paywall or anything like that. It is 100% free for you. So now let's go back and let's look at what Birdeye actually offers. So if we come over here to their products right here, you can see they have online listings, which basically help you, your business or a small local business like your chiropractor, get found online. So update the accurate information on Yelp, on Google, on Yahoo, on all these different platforms, helping with their online reviews, their messaging, web chat, social media management, mass texting, payments. You can see there's a lot of different services right here. Now, if we want to go through and look at their pricing, they kind of hide it. So if we clicked on pricing right here, they'd make you go through and opt in to be able to see what their pricing is and basically show that you're a legit real business owner, because they don't want like spam people going through and jumping in. However, I did a sneak peek behind the scenes look for you guys. And if we're paying monthly, we have their growth plan and their dominate plan, which you have to commit to an annual contract, but you pay monthly. And so the starter plan right here, which is $349 per month, is only available if you pay all up front. And you can see it goes down to $299 per month if you pay up front, which over the course of 12 months, it's like $3,600. Okay, or right here, $399 per month, which would basically be almost $5,000, and this one even over $5,000 if you're paying all up front and committing annually. However, if you're paying monthly, the prices go up a little bit, but you still have to commit to that annual contract. And so for $449 per month, what they're offering is automated online reviews like Google, helping you get more 5-star reviews on Google. Listings, so what listings is, like we talked about earlier, is going through and getting accurate information, so your phone number, your address, your website, on all of the different platforms that list businesses. So Yelp, Angie's List, Yahoo, Google, Facebook, all those different platforms right there. And then we have messaging, so basically two-way text messaging back and forth with prospective clients. So if you're, let's say, a plumber and somebody reaches out and says, hey, I'm interested in your services, being able to text back and forth with that client. And then over here, we also have web chat, which web chat, if you guys have ever seen on any website, is kind of like in the bottom right-hand corner. It's a little chat bubble, so if you have any questions, you go through, click on that, you ask a question, and it starts a conversation with these small business owners, right? Or if you wanted to go to Dominate, you get the reviews, listings, messaging, web chat, and then also the social media management. And so this is the $499 per month, or if you pay all up front, it drops down to $449 per month times by 12. I'm not going to do the math here real quick because I'm sure I'm going to be off on that, but it's probably in the range of $5,000 to $6,000 per year. Now, you might be asking yourself, well, Jason, how on earth am I going to go through and replicate this? I don't know how to code. I don't know how to build all this out. I have no marketing experience, no tech skills or anything like that. Well, the cool thing for you and for me is there is a simple software that allows you to go through and replicate all of this. And this is actually a little website that I build out that you guys can literally go through and clone this exact website. And this is kind of like my business right here is chat, so getchat.com. I've got my own logo right here. But what you can do is you can literally use this website template, and it's selling all the same things: online reviews, messaging, payments, okay? And it has a breakdown of all these other things: payments, missed call text back, web chat, CRM. And then you just come in here, use this exact website template that I've already created. It's in that free online course. If you just smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll hook you guys up with the training as well as website templates and everything to go through and get started. Just swap in and out your logo right here. And if you don't have a logo yet, there are a bunch of free tools like Canva, canva.com, that you can go through and create your own logo 100% for free. Or there's simple sites like Fiverr or Upwork. You can go through and have somebody create a logo for you for only like 10 to 20 bucks per logo, right? So it's super nice and easy. So now you're going to be able to have this website. It has all the products detailed out. It's about us. We've got the pricing page. And you can come over here and you'll see in here in a second, we'll be able to set the price points at whatever we want. So on this demo page right here, you can see I actually undercut quite a bit on the pricing, whereas on Bird Eye's pricing, for $399, they've got reviews, listing, messaging, and web chat. That is it, right? Whereas over here, we've got reviews, messaging, web chat, and SMS credits up to 3 team members. So literally the same exact thing, and I'm just charging $199 where they are charging $399. So literally $200 per month cheaper. Then over here, you've got the social media management and a few other things right there. And on this $299 per month plan, I've got messaging, web chat, $2,500. I got payments, so basically be able to send invoice and payments via text, so you can get paid faster if you're the electrician or the plumber. A CRM, auto missed call text back, so a few other little bonus things that Bird Eye doesn't even have. Now, to go through and set this all up, and I have all this detailed even more in that 100% free course for you guys, but we're going to use a simple software right here, which allows us to literally clone Bird Eye to a T and set our own price points and drag and drop our own features. So what I'm actually going to do here is I'm going to come over here and I'm just going to remove myself so you guys can see this a little bit better. But you can see we have all these different features. So let's say on this base plan, we don't want the CRM on the base plan. We're going to throw that over there, and we can say, hey, we are actually going to compete directly with Bird Eye. And so we're going to come over here and see, okay, they've got their $399 per month plan. We're going to make this one $399 per month. And then they have their $499 per month plan, or what was that? Was that $449? Let's just double check here. So they've got $449 per month, And so we're going to come over here and we're going to do $449 per month, right? Or they also have the option of, if we're going to come over here and pay upfront. Okay, this is the upfront plan. So if we pay upfront, we can come over here and set these annual plans. So we can do $449 times 12 and put that in for the yearly plan right there. Or if they're paying monthly, so this is where so we got $449 and $499. So I'm just going to come over here and I'm going to literally switch these plans to model this exactly. Okay, so now we come over here, $499, and now we can drag and drop all of these different features and tools. And look, there's even a lot more features than what BirdEye offers. So we've got like this social planner, which once again matches up with the social planner right there. Okay. And then we have over here, we've got the text to pay, missed call text back, reputation management, which is the online reviews, the web chat, which if we come over here, once again, we've got all this, guys. Reviews, listings, messaging, web chat. It's all in here, and you just drag and drop this business, and then you plug all of these plans into this pre-built website that I already have for you guys, and you're off to the races. You have a professionally designed, really nice website that if you're going through and talking to a client, you just give them your domain, whatever your domain is right here, slap on your logo, and they come over here, and look, you look like a full-on professional business right from the get-go. And going through and setting these things up is extremely easy. You don't have to go through and have any crazy marketing experience or tech skills or anything like that. The thing that I love about all these services, and if we just come back over here, reviews, all the person has to do is connect their Google business account. So if I'm an electrician, I connect my Google business account to this software right up here, and you're able to go through and automatically generate a review link. The listings, same thing. Messaging, it automatically pulls in the text messages, Facebook messages, Instagram messages, Google chat messages, emails, everything. And then we're able to put a web chat widget on the website down here in the bottom right-hand corner for any client, so they're able to collect more leads from their website visitors. And then we have the social automation, social planner tool, which the software I just showed you guys actually has some cool AI elements built in that's going to automatically create these social posts for you. And then you can just either go through and schedule them out yourself or have a VA schedule them out for your specific clients. So once again, guys, if you guys want to go through and get this all set up, I actually have a free 30-day extended trial to the software. It's normally a 14-day free trial that I'll hook you guys up with. If you smash the like button, drop a comment down below, I'll get you guys the course 100% for free, how to go through and get this all set up with the website templates, sales funnel templates, everything from A to Z, plus a 30-day free trial to the software. And the goal of that 30-day free trial to the software is to be able to get your first client before you even have to pay for the software. So if you get a client paying you $499 per month before you even have to pay for the software, then you don't even have to ever come out of pocket with any money, right? Because then all that money that you're taking there, you're now able to invest into the software to then now be able to pay for the software. And the coolest thing about the software, the reason why I love it so much, is that you only have one monthly software subscription and you're able to bring on as many clients as you want. And they have plans starting at $97, going to $297 or $497 per month. And basically you just choose whatever plan works best for you, but you can bring on as many clients as you want. So if you had 1,000 clients paying you $499 per month, that'd be $500,000 per month that you're making with your own online business, and you only have a maximum of $497 per month that you're paying to this software, which is pretty amazing. So I hope you see how easy this was to go through and replicate this multi-$100 million, almost billion-dollar business that's literally raised $93 million to go through and get started, and you can clone everything that they're doing for literally zero money. And I show you guys step by step how to go through and get everything set up. I give you the website template so you look like a professional business from day one, and how to actually go through and fulfill for these clients and get those clients inside my 100% free course. And the best thing is you can go through and get these clients and fulfill for these clients without spending a dime on advertising. Not to mention the small business market. There are literally tens of millions of small business owners. So BirdEye has 80,000 clients. And so if there are tens of millions of small business owners, that means they haven't even tapped into a majority of the small businesses, and they're still valued at over $500 million. So you can just see the opportunity and the growth that you potentially could have. So to go through and grow your business to $10,000 per month is a complete no-brainer. So anyway, guys, hopefully this was helpful as going through and starting your own side hustle, your own online business, your own marketing agency, and cloning a proven business model that we already know works, that VCs, venture capitalists, are investing heavily into because they see the massive value as well. And once again, just smash the like button, drop a comment down below if you guys want all those freebies, the templates, the trainings, the courses, everything, how to get started, how to get clients, fulfill for clients, everything from A to Z that you need to do to go through and make this happen. With that said, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. A quick shout out to our sponsor, LaunchMy.agency. We'll show you how to start a wildly profitable marketing agency for free, plus we'll show you the only software that we use and give you an extended 30-day free trial. So go to LaunchMy.agency right now to learn more and start your free trial. Hey, real quick, if you want my 100% free course on how to go through and start your own digital marketing agency, how to get clients, how to fulfill for clients, all of my website templates, my proven sales funnel templates, all my scripts, then there is a link down below in the description as well as in the top comment. It's going to allow you to get an extended 30-day free trial to the HighLevel software, plus unlock all of my courses and bonuses, everything for free, plus weekly live coaching with myself. You can jump on Zoom, ask me any question that you want. All right, so just click down on the link in the description in the top comment, or go to launchmysoftware.com. It's going to take you into the same place. Now, with that said, back to the video.